Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix AirDrop not working on your MacBook. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. AirDrop only works if both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled. Even if you are not connected to the internet, open System Settings. Then go to Bluetooth and turn that on to. Go to Wi-Fi and make sure it's turned on. Solution 2. Make yourself discoverable. Open Finder. Then click AirDrop in the sidebar. At the bottom, set allow me to discover ever by to everyone or contacts only. Solution 3. Restart your Mac. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the issue. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner. Select Restart. Confirm by clicking Restart again. Once your Mac restarts, try AirDrop again and see if your problem is solved or not. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more Mac tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.